Hello, today we're going to be looking at the GCSE core practical electrolysis of copper sulfate. This is part 1. What we have here is an ammeter, okay, and a power supply with a built-in variable resistor, which will allow us to change the voltage and current emitted by our power supply. We have a balance, a beaker containing copper sulfate solution, 2 copper electrodes and some emery paper. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean our copper electrodes with emery paper. This is just to remove any dirt, debris or oxidization from the electrodes. And this means that we will get maximum conductivity, and also any debris or anything won't fall off or interfere with our reaction. When we've done that, we're going to mark them. One is going to be our anode, our positive, and one is going to be our cathode, our negative. So at the top, we're going to put a positive on one and a negative on the other. We're then going to weigh the electrodes on our balance, making sure that we record the initial mass of our electrodes. In this case, the anode is 28.55 grams and cathode is 29.13. When we've done that, we're going to look at our circuit. So, our anode electrode is going to be attached to a crocodile clip that is connected to the positive side of our circuit. Our cathode is going to be attached to a crocodile clip which is connected to the negative side of our circuit via an ammeter. We're then going to place the 2 electrodes into our copper sulfate solution and set the current so that it reads 0.2 amps and start our stop clock. We're then going to leave this circuit, keeping an eye that the current stays around about the 0.2 amps reading for the duration of our experiment, which is 20 minutes. When we have done that, we are going to take our electrodes out. Once we've turned the power off, we would take our electrodes out. We're going to rinse them very gently with some distilled water. Then in a fume cupboard, we're going to just dip them in and out of some propanone, and then we're going to remove any excess of propanone and just gently shake off any excess propanone, and then we're going to leave them to dry by the propanone evaporating. When we've done that, we're going to weigh our electrodes again on the balance and record that final mass. We're then going to repeat this experiment with the current set at 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5 amps. Doing exactly the same as before, cleaning and weighing our electrodes before and after. Thank you very much.